Hello, Wildlife Crystal here. I have another super simple Meatless Monday recipe. It's my spinach, tomato, lemon, one pot spaghetti, and it is so creamy and delicious. And of course, I will be writing down all the nutritional benefits of each ingredient so that when you're cooking with your family, you can explain why we're eating what we're eating. I hope you guys enjoy. To start, you'll put your pasta in a large, shallow pan. Then you'll roughly chop those tomatoes in half and throw them in that pan. After that, you'll grate and zest both lemons, and trust me, it's an arm workout. Followed by 2 teaspoons of salt. Remember, tomatoes always need some salt. And 6 tablespoons of olive oil. After that, you'll add a liter of boiling water. Put a lid on the pan and bring to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, remove the lid and simmer on high for 6 minutes. Using 2 forks, turn the pasta every 30 seconds or so as it cooks. Once the pasta's cooked for 6 minutes, add all your spinach for another 2 minutes. Once almost all of the water has evaporated, take the pan off the heat and divide into your bowls. It is so creamy and delicious. I promise you'll love it.